So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Motherson Sumi share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and it has given almost 15% positive movement. So we know that after giving a very good quarter result, we know it was declared today. So I'll discuss the Q4 result as well, and then we'll switch out to the technical charts to find out what would be the next possible target. So we know that previously when we discussed about Motherson Sumi almost 1 month back, I've done a special video regarding it and clearly I mentioned all the fundamentals and what would be the future prospect as well. So clearly near the 200 rupees level, I told to buy this particular stock especially for long term, and I know already we discussed that the results, upcoming results also would be very good. So the company is also performing very well. So that is the one of the major reason why today we have seen some very good movement in the stock. Okay, so apart from that, if you have not joined the Telegram, do join it. So the two stocks that I've discussed almost 1 month back. So first one is DSSL, another one is Infobeam. So both of the stocks today, you can see one has hit the 15% upper movement and another stock has hit 10% upper circuit. So all these stocks, okay, after analysis only, I try to present. So that's why based on fundamentals, the stocks also perform in that particular manner. So if you have not joined the Telegram, do join it. So if you want any separate set of videos regarding to IT sector in the that is next booming stock, so do mention. I'll definitely undergoing the research, so definitely I'll try to present in this week itself. So make sure you're liking the video, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so if we see the quarter result of Motherson Sumi, you can see clearly it has given a very good of net profit. You can see around 7.14 billion rupees, and if you compare year on year also, you can see a very good increment is present. So previous year it has reported around 1.83 billion, and you can see roughly it has given huge movement, so percentage wise also. So that's why I told to buy this particular stock earlier also. So if you see, estimated was around 5.3, but it has beaten the estimates also, and it has given some very good result. And quarter on quarter wise, you can see it has reported around 7.98 billion. Okay, so now moving towards another important thing what company has said today is, you can clearly say that it has improved profitability and realization of engineering revenues, helped free cash generation, which is very important, and leading to lowest ever debt. So you know that already the debt on the company has completely been reduced. So that is what the company has also told, that we are having the lowest ever debt. So when these type of statements come out, obviously it is a positive statement. So on that particular note itself, the stock today has given very good moment. Okay, so if we see today's traded quantity versus deliverables, so you can see roughly 8 crore shares have been traded, and coming to deliveries wise, you can see 1 crore shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage is around 16.40. So that is pretty good. So today we know almost volatility was very high. Obviously when the stock is giving 15% movement, so little bit of spike in traded quantity happens, so that is not a concern. So once we are into long term, so you need to understand the complete idea that deliveries are maintained at a very good manner. So if you see the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, you know, stock was completely moving in a range. It was giving 2.1% positive movement. Again it has corrected little bit, again little consolidation was seen, and you can see deliveries are little constant. You can see around 28 to 25% deliveries are maintained, which is also very good. And on daily basis also, you can see little traded quantity was present, but again what I was telling, deliveries are increasing. So that is one thing you need to understand, because obviously result was expected that it would return some very good positive note. So on that particular instance only, we have seen some very good movement in the stock. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the next possible levels. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Motherson Sumi, and you can see after breaking the resistance of 270, so currently it is trading near 268, 270, so that particular region, so closing above 272 is going to play very important, because that is one of the resistive region. So I'm telling, because pivot points are present, so that's why I'm telling, if it closes above that, then only we can expect a very good rally in the coming sessions also. Okay, so touching the level as usual is not that important, but closing above any Okay, resistive region is very important, especially the pivot points. So once any stock closes above any pivot resistance, then we can expect a very good rally in the stock. So not only this stock, any stock, when I tell the technicals, you need to understand that closing above any level is very important. So after that, if you go a little bit down, you can see a little crossover type is going to happen in the coming sessions. So I told whenever any 50-day exponential moving average is cutting a larger moving average, that is 200, then it is a bullish indication. So these things also you need to identify. So if this happens again, we may expect a very good rally in the stock, and Motherson Sumi can easily cross the 300 rupees level. So if this happens, okay, so you need to focus the levels as well. So currently resistance, as I told, is 275. So if it crosses that, definitely we can see 300. And coming to support, so first one is around 244. So this is going to be the immediate support. So if you're interested to buy, you can focus in this particular region. So after that, money flow index is near 65. So that is also in a pretty good region, not completely in overbought, but it is trying to gain the momentum in the coming sessions also. Okay, so discuss the resistances, right? So 275 is the resistance, near term one that you need to focus. And as usual, if you want to buy, you can focus near the 250 followed by 244 rupees region, and you can add in small portions and you can accumulate it for long term. So this is very good stock. Already I told you. So one of the stock which may give some very good returns in long term as well. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section. And also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.